Hello, good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. This is Poonam Avasthi. Today in this GK class beta, we are going to understand about financial matters and some financial terms. Watch the video carefully and don't forget to check description box. You will be getting a PDF of current affairs. Fine. So let's begin with me. Chapter Financial Matters. Please refer page number 28 for this video. Okay. So let's begin. Welcome all of you in today's GK class. Today we are going to understand about financial terms and matters. This topic is really very interesting. So students, sit back, relax and watch the video carefully. Please refer page number 28 of your GK book for today's video. Before we begin with important financial terms and matters, students, meet our current Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The Minister for Finance has overall responsibility for the finance portfolio and particular responsibility for the budget, policy, advice and process. Now please have a look to important abbreviations and their full forms. PF, it stands for Provident Fund. It is a forced saving every month with amounts contributed by the employer and the employee. And students, this is given to the employee at the time of retirement. FDI, it stands for Foreign Direct Investment. When foreign companies are allowed to make investments in India, and own or partially own companies that do business in India, this investment is known as foreign direct investment. PAN card, it stands for Permanent Account Number. Do you know, students, who issues it? The Income Tax Department of India issues this card to citizens of the country. Now, very important, RBI, the Reserve Bank of India. It is India's central banking institution. It controls the monetary policy of the Indian currency, and that is rupee. And students, do you know, to safeguard banks from fraud, the RBI has now made it compulsory for an individual or an organization to provide information and proof of identity, addresses, etc. This is part of the KYC process. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. Next topic is taxes. Do you know, students, why government collect taxes? Yes, you all are correct. The government needs to collect taxes from its citizens to build and maintain infrastructure, pay salaries of government employees and fund government projects. There are two types of taxes we pay: direct and indirect taxes. A tax which is paid directly by a taxpayer to government, like income and property tax, is called direct tax, and an indirect tax is paid by a buyer to a seller who collects it on behalf of the government, like GST. What is GST? GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. It is a uniform tax levied on all goods and services produced in India and all goods and services imported from abroad. Next is TDS, is a tax deducted at source. It stands for tax deducted at source. When a company is paying its employees or a service provider, so it is expected to deduct TDS on behalf of the government. Now students, all of you are aware that we can withdraw our money which we have deposited in the bank. Yes or no? Yes. But when a bank allows a customer to withdraw more money than there is in the customer's account, it is called providing an overdraft facility. And what is FD? FD means fixed deposit. So, if your money in a bank is put into an FD, into an fixed deposit, it means you are ready to keep it in the bank for a specified period of time. Now see today's last but not least financial term, bankrupt. This term you may have seen in your social studies books many times. Yes or no? So students, when a person or organization is not in a financial position to repay loans, then that person or organization is said to be bankrupt. So students, by now we all are done with very important financial terms. I hope it is very clear to you. For further queries, feel free to drop your message in the comment section or pen down all your queries and you may ask in the upcoming online class. This is it for today. Don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe the channel to get latest updates. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning.